So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for viewing my course. I hope this course did help you a lot. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. If you will love me to cover anything else, I've been saying that on each and every video. Please drop that on a comment and let me know what I should do. At least mention about 5 videos that you love me to cover in the future videos. uh VideoPad for vloggers has been a very great and interesting course for me to do, because I noticed that not a lot of teachers on YouTube actually do videos teaching people on how to edit their vlog videos. So instead, you'll see on how to edit your music video. You'll see on tips on how to edit your film, but nothing about vlogs. No one really cares about vlogs. So I decided to fill that space and be the first person on YouTube to create a course for you guys, so that you can learn on how to edit your vlogs. So guys, it has been an interesting journey. So if you guys manage to edit your vlog and you allow me to watch it, please leave a comment with a link straight to your video so I can watch it and leave you with a feedback on what I think. Please keep watching the videos. Don't watch it once and think you'll understand everything. You need to watch them at least multiple times so you can understand fully what what this does. So I'll be doing season 2, and just to be honest, I don't know what season 2 will talk about. I'll depend on your comments. All depend on your comments on what season 2 will be about. So thank you so much guys for viewing this course mastering VideoPad for vloggers. What's the name of the course? VideoPad for vloggers. Yeah, that's the name. So thank you so much guys. If is there anything else you'd love me to know, just do let me know. Just do let me know. We came a very long way. So now there's one thing that I would love to do, that a lot of you guys have been waiting for, is to show you the vlog. So I won't show you the entire vlog. Sorry for that. I won't be showing you the entire full vlog. I'll be showing you a little bit of an intro for the vlog that we did. For the vlog we did, then I'll also leave the link. Okay, you see on top right there, top right, yeah, just just click that video and it will send you straight to the vlog. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I've leave the link of the full vlog video on the description for those who love to see the vlog for this beautiful lady. So see you next time on the next season 2, depending if you commented or not. Let me know guys, do let me know that you'll love me to continue with this series. Do let me know. So thank you so much guys, see you next time. Please also watch other series that I have been doing, especially for graphic design, and I hope you did see the intro. So go and watch her video. If you did love that intro, do let me know, and so that we can recreate something similar to that intro. Thank you so much. Love you all guys. See you next time.